Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chemistry and Biology Concepts. HSTR 2022 Chemistry class first. Acid, bases and salts. So coming to the acids, bases and salt. Here the chemical compounds, about the introduction we have to discuss first. Chemical compounds are naturally occurring and are essential for life. Chemical compounds are broadly classified into three main types. They are acids, bases and the salt. Example for this acid is tartaric acid, citric acid, hydrochloric acid, etc. Bases are sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. Salts example sodium chloride, sodium carbonate, silver nitrate. Coming to the first category, that is acids. So acid meaning means the word acid comes from the Latin word that is acidus, which means sour. There are two types of acids will be present. That acids can be classified into two groups. They are organic acids, nothing but carbonic acid, and mineral acids are acarbonic acid or inorganic acid. So coming to the first type, that is organic acid or carbonic acid. These are the acids can be occurring in nature is called as organic acid. Example for that organic acid is tartaric acid, acetic acid, formic acid. Next coming to the second one, that one is a mineral acid or inorganic acid or acarbonic acid. Mineral acids are made or prepared from minerals present in the earth. From the earth, minerals will be there, no? In that they are using the minerals for preparing these mineral acid. Example for that is hydroxides of sodium, potassium and copper. Nothing but sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide and copper hydroxide. So coming to the examples for organic acids. These are occurring in the nature, no? So here are some examples of acid and where it will be occurring that I have listed below. Citric acid and ascorbic acid, you can get these kind of acids in a lemon, orange, etc. Tartaric acid. Tartaric acid will be present in the tamarind, unripened mango, grapes, etc. Lactic acid will be present in the milk curd. Oxalic acid will be present in the spinach, tomato. Folic acid will be present in the turnip, broccoli, peanuts and sunflower seeds. And sixth one is acetic acid. It is obtained from the vinegar. Formic acid. It is present in the ant. So this is about the examples for organic acid. So coming to the properties of a acid. First, the properties of acid are classified into two types, that is physical properties of acid and chemical properties of acid. Coming to the physical properties of acid. First property is taste. Acids are sour in taste. Conductivity. How the acids will be conduct electricity, that they have given here. A few drops of an acid in a water makes water a good conductor of electricity. Next, stability. Acids are soluble in water. Acids should be added to water drop by drop with constant stirring. The beaker containing this solution become hot as it is a exothermic reaction. Corrosiveness. Fourth property of a physical property of this acid is corrosiveness. Acids are not stored in metal container because acids corrodes the metal like iron and aluminum. Hence it is safe to store in a glass container. This is the physical property of a acid. So coming to the chemical properties of a acid. So first reaction with the acid with the metals. When acid react with a metal, it forms salt and hydrogen gas. Here I have given one example for that. Metal I have taken as a magnesium and acid HCl I have taken. So magnesium reacts with the HCl to form MgCl2, magnesium chloride, plus hydrogen gas will be going to be liberate. So when the acid reacts with a metal, it forms salt and hydrogen gas. Reaction of acid with the carbonates and bicarbonates, what happens? Here you can observe here. First example I have taken calcium carbonates react with the HCl, nothing but hydrochloric acid. It forms calcium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide. Like that only sodium, here I have taken sodium bicarbonate, for the reaction of acid with the bicarbonates, I have taken sodium bicarbonate. When sodium bicarbonate react with the hydrochloric acid, NaCl, nothing but the salt. NaCl, CaCl2, even these are all the salt. Salt along with the water and carbon dioxide will going to be produced. So this is about the chemical properties of a acid. After this, what we have to learn is about the uses of acids. In that first acid use we have to learn is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is used in the manufacture of glue and purifying common salt. It is in the preparation of glucose and chlorides, for bleaching in textile industries, and also for the cleaning metals before they are tinned or soldered or galvanized. Here galvanization, important concept I have given here. Galvanization is a process of coating iron or a steel with a zinc, either by immersing in a bath of a molten zinc or by deposition from a solution of zinc sulfate. This is done to avoid the corrosion. To avoid the corrosion of a metal, we are going to do the galvanization, that is depositing of a zinc on the other metals to stop the or avoid the corrosion. So this is about the uses of acid in that hydrochloric acid. Second acid is nitric acid, HNO3. To etch designs or names on metals like copper, brass and bronze, these nitric acid will going to be used. It is used in the extraction of metals from their ores. Here I have given the ore definition. You can see here. It is naturally occurring mineral that yields metal or a valuable minerals. So, in the purification of precious metals like gold and silver. So, gold and silver, purifying these precious metal, they are going to use nitric acid. Even in the manufacture of some dyes. Dyes means coloring compound. Perfumes, you have already know that. Plastics, rayon is a artificial silk. These rayons are obtained from the fruit pulp. And this one is a fertilizer. Fertilizer example TNT they have given, trinitrotoluene and nitroglycerin, and these are used in the medicines also. These nitric acid is used in the medicines. Or I have already explained. And next, third one is aqua regia. In etching designs on metals like gold and platinum. Aqua regia means what I have given here separately. So it is a mixture of concentrated hydrochloric acid and concentrated nitric acid in the ratio of 3:1. So if they will give what is the ratio of aqua regia, you have to write hydrochloric acid and concentrated nitric acid. Hydrochloric acid is in 3 and nitric acid you have to write it as a 1. So 3:1. If they will give this one reversely, that means nitric acid and hydrochloric acid, if they will give means you have to write 1:3. So if they have given concentrated hydrochloric acid first and then nitric acid means 3:1. This mixture dissolves noble metals like gold and platinum. So this is about the aqua regia. So coming to the fourth acid, that is sulfuric acid. So this sulfuric acid is a H2SO4. Sulfuric acid is commonly called as king of acids because the manufacturing of sulfuric acid used in the so many uses you are going to get from the sulfuric acid. So here 3 to 4 uses I have given here. To refine petrol, and also in the manufacture of fertilizers, example ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, detergents, drugs, plastics, paint and chemicals like copper sulfate, Epsom salt. Now, by the preparation of all these things, only the sulfuric acid is used for these things. In paper, leather, textile and automobile industry also H2SO4 is going to be used. Here Epsom salt you have learnt, no? This Epsom salt means the Epsom salt is a magnesium sulfate, MgSO4 7H2O. It is naturally occurring mineral in water. So Epsom salt is a naturally occurring mineral in the water. The chemical formula for this Epsom salt is magnesium sulfate 7H2O. H2O nothing but water. Its name is derived from the town of Epsom that is there in the England, where the compound was first distilled. So this Epsom salt was first distilled in the England, in the town called Epsom. That's why the name of this salt is Epsom salt. Remember this one, very important for HSTR. So fifth one acid is carbonic acid, H2CO3. It is also used in the aerated soft drinks. Whatever the soft drinks you are going to drink now, in that preparation they are going to use carbonic acid, H2CO3. Remember the chemical formula and the uses of all these acids. So I hope you understood the concept of acid, base and salt. In that acid I have done. In the next video I will discuss about the bases and the properties and meaning, uses of that bases. So I hope you guys understood the concept very well. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.